Hey friends, I have to do this video really quick because one, I have to go to bed, and two, I have to wake up early because I have a Saturday morning workout thing tomorrow morning. So, anywho, I got to do this really quick. So, I wanted to hear y'all's votes based on which puppy slash dog you liked the best. So, I deleted the last video that I did, which was like 4 minutes long. And there was 15. I thought I had 16, but I messed up. So, anyways, so now I have 10 on this, or not on this, in this particular video. This is why I need to go to bed. So, sorry guys. I'm trying to get over a sickness. This is the third time that I have been sick this winter. I am still kind of... That was awkward. Anyway, sorry, my cat just kind of just sat up and was like, what in the world was that? But anyways, here's Ireland, Bethany, Camilla, Liliana, Jenna, Cassidy, Victoria, Diana, what is your name? Natalie, and Riley. So yeah, cast your vote and tell me which one is your favorite. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please comment and subscribe. Bye!